Guys, this is how you wash and clean your red snapper fish. I'm going to be demonstrating. Follow. So for the marinade, we're going to be using a lot of spices. So get yourself a bowl. Put approximately 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil in the bowl. Add a teaspoon of chili flakes. Add a teaspoon of thyme. Add a teaspoon of ginger powder. Add a teaspoon of salt. Add 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika powder. Add a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Add approximately a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of ground garlic. A teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And lastly, have a cube of Maggi to taste. Mix everything up. Set this aside. Get your already washed and cleaned fish. Dab your snapper with some tissue paper. Create lines on your snapper as follows. Create these lines on both sides. You want your spices to penetrate that deep. Do this on the other side. Apply your spices. Get your spices into every corner of the fish. Place your fish on a bed of chopped red onions, some paprika and spring onions. You can use any other vegetable of choice. Beautiful. Take this to the oven and bake at 350 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes on each side. Guys, cook this side again for 10 minutes and then you're done. So guys, we're going to be checking for the last time. I guess our red snapper is ready. So guys, that's your red snapper ready to be consumed. Thank you guys for watching. Love and light your way. Bye bye.